Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to Happy's Place. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you so much for always clicking my videos. And today's video, you guys, is going to be a DIY homemade air freshener. So I have 5 chemicals that I'll be using for this DIY. The first one is methanol, the second one is menthol, the third one is tezapone, and the fourth one is white binder, while the last one is the fragrance. And this fragrance, what I use is lavender fragrance. You guys, you can use any fragrance you want, and you can also add color to your air freshener. So let's get straight to this video. If you want to see how I was able to bring out this, do this DIY, so let's get straight to it. In a dry bowl, dissolve the menthol and the methanol together. Dissolve the menthol and methanol together. The secret of good consistency when it comes to production or formulation of chemicals is stirring. If you can stir very well, you will get a good consistency. If you can stir very well, I repeat, get a good consistency. So if you want to get a good consistency, make sure you stir very well. And this particular chemical that I'm mixing together, you have to make sure that the menthol is well dissolved. Stir it very well and dissolve it very well. That is when you get this good consistency. Once you are done stirring the menthol, you set it aside for the second chemical mixture. In a separate bowl, dissolve tezapone. But before you dissolve tezapone, make sure you add a small amount of water before dissolving the tezapone. Why we put water is because tezapone is sticky, so if you add water will aid the dissolving. So make sure you add water, small amount of water before dissolving. This is the bucket I will use to do the proper mixture. I mix the two chemicals together in this bucket. So this is the bucket I will use to establish the 5 liters of the air freshener that I'm making. So this is the bucket I will use to do the normal mixture, and you guys, you can even see some of the lumpy tezapone. So I will use this bucket now to do the proper mixture, to make sure that all the chemicals are mixed well, stirred well, and they come together. So this is the bucket I will use for it. Guys, I'm so sorry that my camera didn't capture when I added the last chemicals, which are the white binder and the fragrance. Like I said, I use lavender fragrance for this particular one. So this is just how everything looks like right now. And if you want to add color to yours, it's fine. I didn't want to use color to produce mine, so that was why I didn't add color to it. So if you want to add your color, you can add your color. So yeah, this is just the end of everything. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. So what I did was to let it settle for some minutes. This particular one, you don't have to leave it for 2 days or 48 hours. You can, it's very ready to use now. It's ready for use, you guys. So I just allowed it to settle for some minutes for the chemicals to react before transferring it into the 5-liter jerry can that I use to store this particular productions. That is just the end of everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for everything. And guys, I brought this to the office. You guys, I got a contract to start producing. So yeah, this is just how I presented it and brought it to the office for sampling. So yeah, I've gotten a contract to you guys start producing and supplying to the office. So yeah, this is just the end of everything. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for everything. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.